Hi guys and gals and kittens, and welcome to the I Need a Magic show. In this video I'm going to show you the new stuff I'm working on that's going to be available for you all in your cloudlets during the weekend. So now I want to create, and these are Git bindings, right? So let me just create something stupid just to show. I want to create a CRUD API and a simple to-do DB with one table. Then afterwards, I want you to generate all 4 CRUD endpoints for it. Name, DB, and module CRUD demo. Then initialize a GitHub repo in the module. Commit all changes and create a GitHub project with the name and add remote and push. I'm trying to see if I can get it in like one prompt here. Probably not. It's probably going to come back and ask me questions or do something stupid at some point, but I'm trying to single shot prompt everything here now, which is kind of like the point where it actually creates my database, then it creates my CRUD API, and then it pushes the CRUD HTTP endpoints up to GitHub. Let me see what it's asking me for here. To do 1, I don't care, whatever. 2, no off. 3, I confirm. 4, public, private, main, use the module name. When it's standing like this and just like swirling on answering just after a function invocation typically, what it's actually doing is that it's reasoning, because we're using GPT 5.2 codecs with like medium or low amounts of reasoning tokens. So just want to emphasize that. So it doesn't necessarily like jam up when it doesn't actually give you feedback. This is one of the things that I want to work with, to have like the reasoning show up in the front end. We don't have that at the moment, but I will do that later down the road. So how many CRUD files are we up to here now? 2. Okay, so we're going to need 2 more before the Git process starts. And 3 and 4. So now the point about these CRUD slots is that, or the Git slots, is that they're like brand new. It's a new feature. And if you download the code version, you can play around with it. If you have a cloudlet, you're gonna have to wait until Saturday or Sunday, because I cannot upgrade cloudlets during work hours. So let me see. Save deleted endpoints. I've generated as is. Yes, save it as it is. Sometimes GPT 5.2 codecs actually give me false negatives on errors where it believes that the Hyperlambda generator actually created an error, but actually didn't. I need to emphasize that. Should I proceed anyway? Yes. And now the point, of course, is my username is Polterguy, right? So you can see Polterguy here, and the name of the project I'm creating now is CRUD demo. Currently that's a 404 on GitHub because the project doesn't exist. The point is I'm going to come back here when everything is done, refresh, and show you how the code was actually added to GitHub. Actually gives me the URL here too. Let me see. And there you are. 5 minutes, I created a to-do API, a database, push to Git, etc. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.